What's better than a trip to the Dollar Tree? Starbucks and a trip to the Dollar Tree. That's pretty. It's not their usual cardboard, it's like a tin. That's better to last out on the outside. The spring flags are out, and look what they have. I've never seen it before at the Dollar Tree. They actually have the summer flag. Look, cute little flip-flops. That's adorable. I can't believe they have these. Oh my gosh, they are so delicious. I'm getting 3 of them. I'd get more, but I'm not gonna. But I should. But I won't. Well, this was a wonky trip. I'm only walking out of here with one of these. Who remembers these? I wonder if they're still as good as they used to be. And my coconut patties. First item is this pantry sign right there. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but I just couldn't pass it up because I know I would regret it if I didn't get it. So I am happy with that. I love this kind of stuff. A while back, I had gotten the one that says kitchen. I still use it. I absolutely love it. I just wish the colors were lighter now that I'm lightening up everything in my house. But nevertheless, I still like it. I still use it, and I'm hoping to incorporate this one too. All right, I changed the camera angle because you would get an all steering wheel. And my next items were 3 of these gypsophilia. Is that how you pronounce it? Baby's breath. I got 3 of these because I have this wheat that I hang off this big mirror in my dining room, and it just needs that pop of white. And I actually was going to get real baby's breath, but when I seen these, I'm like, oh my goodness, they're so pretty. They practically look real. So I got 3 of them, and I'm going to kind of tie them together. I don't know if I could really do it here, but almost kind of the same way the wheat is, and have them kind of hanging like that. I do plan on showing everything that I am redoing. There were some things that I started already that I did before I thought about filming it. But everything's going to be there. The befores and the afters that I caught, and then just the afters. Stay tuned if you want to see how that comes out. But I am excited. I love how real that looks. You know, Dollar Tree has pretty floral, but it's not my favorite. I rarely buy it, but I have to say, I'm pretty impressed. I am like obsessed with having shopping totes when I go to the stores. Like, I have totes for every season, which is ridiculous because I'm trying to simplify life and I'm trying to purge, and then I go and do things like that. But that's just who I am. And you know what? At Christmas, I want to go to the stores with my Christmas totes. And Halloween, I want Halloween. And in the summer, I want like Americana. I don't know. It's just who I am. So, with that said, I got this one. It's got pineapples on both sides. I love that they put the print on both sides. Let me see if I can open it. So, it's decent. I mean, it's not the widest thing, but you know what I like these for? Like when I do Walgreens and CVS, where I'm not getting like tons of stuff like I would at Walmart and Stop and Shop and stuff like that. So, you know, little things that you get at the pharmacy, the Americana holidays, Memorial Day, Labor Day, 4th of July, I don't know. I'm just a sucker for these things, guys. They're really well made, too. I mean, they're definitely durable. To the beach, picnics, you know, if you take your lunch to work. Really, really cute. 3 pack of Honey Nut Cheerios. Now, with a sale, I'm sure I can get a box. I don't know if there's 5 or 6 in a box. I think it's 5. I'm sure with a sale, I could probably get like 5 of them for $1.50, which would actually come out cheaper than a 3-pack for $1. But 34 cents each. I just got it and kind of in the mood for one. And my last item, like I said, my haul was very small, but it was definitely not small in how exciting how exciting these items are that I found. And my last one, and you know, I don't know if it's going to work. If you've bought this and you've used it, let me know. But I have a lot of sinus problems. I have a lot of allergies. It affects my eyes a lot. So when I saw these, I'm like, oh gosh, if they work, it will be great. It's iPad compresses. There's 16 pads in here, and it's cooling cucumber. And I'm like, oh, I would love for this to work. I mean, I'm not going to have big expectations because, you know, it's Dollar Tree, which I've bought things from Dollar Tree that are amazing quality. But I'm not going to hold it too much accountable. But I mean, if it helps the puffiness and, you know, just gives me some like cool relief, then I will be happy. So yeah, yay for cucumber pads. That was it. It was tiny, but a very good haul nevertheless. Hopefully I can make it back in next week, start my every week Dollar Tree routine once a week that I usually like to do. Fingers crossed. Until then, I will see ya.